In this video, we'll show you how to effortlessly visualize a work breakdown structure with the help of ChatGPT. Let us get started. We'll start with a home construction project for which we need to create a work breakdown structure. Instead of entering the details manually, we can take the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT will guide us through the process and create the WBS in the right format. Just copy the output from ChatGPT and paste it into the CostX app. With a single action, we can visualize the entire work breakdown structure. But that's not all. Export the data and edit it using MS Excel. Copy the updated content from MS Excel and paste it into CostX. We can perform a mass update with a single action. With CostX and ChatGPT, you can effortlessly create, edit, and visualize work breakdown structures. Download the CostX app today and streamline your project management.